Seal securely. Understanding and using the phrase effectively. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, seal securely. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video will help you understand and use this phrase correctly. So, let's dive in. The phrase, seal securely, is often used in instructions or guidelines. To seal something means to close it tightly or completely, so that nothing can enter or escape. For example, you seal an envelope by closing it so that the contents stay inside. When we add securely to seal, it emphasizes the importance of making sure that the seal is strong and effective. Think of it as making extra sure that whatever you're closing stays closed. Let's look at some practical examples. 1. Food packaging. Seal securely is commonly seen on food packages. It means to close the package well to maintain freshness and prevent spills. 2. Safety instructions. In a lab or during a medical procedure, seal securely might be used to refer to properly closing containers of hazardous materials. 3. Home maintenance. If you're weatherproofing windows, you might be advised to seal securely to prevent drafts. Now, let's practice using the phrase in sentences. Please seal the jar of jam securely after using it. The technician ensured to seal the equipment securely before starting the experiment. When sending a parcel, it's important to seal the box securely to prevent damage during transit. A common mistake is using seal securely inappropriately. Remember, it's mostly used for physical actions involving closing or fastening something. It's not suitable for abstract concepts like sealing an agreement securely. And that's a wrap on seal securely. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your daily conversations and writing. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering English phrases in no time. See you in our next video.